Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with this quarter's Ebates redemption check for $356.08. I'm about to hit the ATM at Bank of America and deposit this into my account and put this money aside for the tent sale. If you're not familiar with Ebates, I am going to educate you on that here in just a minute, but wanted to show you that it's really real. And the reason I don't have mine going directly into my PayPal account is because I like being able to show you that it's real, and that if you're not shopping with Ebates, if you're shopping online at all for anything and you are not using Ebates, then you are absolutely missing out. So stay tuned for what is Ebates and how do you sign up to ensure that you're not missing out on any cold hard cash. So let me start by answering the question of what is Ebates. I'd like for you to think of Ebates as reverse couponing. First thing is I have the Ebates app loaded onto all of the devices that I would shop from. So my mobile device as well as my MacBook, I have Ebates loaded. Anytime I am going to make a purchase, I first log in to Ebates and locate the retailer whose website I'm going to shop from. And it will tell me, for example, here with Sephora, that there is 4% cash back going on right now. Plus, there is a choose too many, a trial size mask once I spend $35. You can see QVC here has a 6% cash back as well, which means 6% of any purchases that I make today from QVC, Ebates would collect and put in an account and hold it for me until the end of the quarter. And then they will pay those savings back to me. So think about the number of times you have clipped a coupon and got to the store only to realize that you left the coupon at home. Or even worse, you have the coupon in your car, in your purse, in your wallet, and you forget to hand it over to the cashier for those savings. It happens to me all the time, which is why I'm not into couponing and never really understood the whole extreme couponing thing, because that takes way too much planning and organization for me to be successful at it. And I attempted it a couple of times. That being said, what Ebates does is retailers that are participating in their rebate program, they allow Ebates to track your purchases, and based on the promotions that are going on at the time, Ebates collects from those retailers that participated that money for you and holds on to it for you until the end of the quarter, when they will then take all of that money and send it back to you. So you just go to the Ebates site, find the retailer that's participating that you want to shop at. Ebates will activate and tell you how much cash back you're going to be earning. You log in with your regular credentials, check out the same way you normally would, pay for your items, and Ebates will track that purchase for you. And then it will go back to Sephora, collect that money for you, collect that money from QVC, collect that money from Zulily, collect it from Macy's, from Walmart. And once a quarter, it will send that money back to you, because those are the savings that you have earned, which to me is a lot easier and a lot more consumer friendly, a lot more digital friendly than me clipping and holding on to coupons and trying to remember and organize and keep track of expiration dates. It just doesn't work for me. So it's very simple. Ebates app is on your mobile device. If you're doing it on a laptop, I have the Ebates extension loaded onto my MacBook. Anytime I go to a retailer site, there is an icon that pops up in the right-hand side of the screen that says X% of Ebates is available. You have to say that you want it by clicking on it to activate it. It will then launch that same website, but within the Ebates platform so that it can track your purchase. You make your purchase the same way you normally would, and that is it. Ebates will keep track of the amount of money that that retailer owes you back, so to speak, from a rebate standpoint. It will hold on to that for you, and once a quarter, we'll send you a check of all of the rebates that it has collected for you. Now, I personally opt to get the paper check just because I like to be able to, film a video and show you that it is real, it's really working, and encourage you to use my link so that we both benefit from that. But you can also have your rebates from Ebates direct deposited into the same account that you have your PayPal account linked to. So you have either of those two options. I absolutely love it. Hate when I find retailers that have either stopped using the program like Nordstrom or that don't participate at all. But it is a great way for you to really take advantage of those savings, because $384 is a nice purchase of anything anywhere else. And I didn't have to do anything for that money other than make the purchases I was going to make anyway. And it's more money than I would have actually saved had I had paper coupons in my wallet to take advantage of those savings. So that's it. What I'd like for you to do as a big thank you for sharing this information. I'd love for you to hit the thumbs up for me, sharing with you what I earned this quarter from Ebates. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so before you head out. Hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And most importantly, go down into the information box and register for Ebates using my referral link. There's savings for you. There are additional savings for me. It's a winner for both of us. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care and